welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it's gonna be a living room and breakfast nook tour. You guys, I'm so excited because these two rooms, technically they're two rooms, are 100% complete. They are furnished, they are perfection in my opinion. I'm so happy with them and I cannot wait to share it with you all. I feel like I say in every single video that we are inching closer and closer towards the finish line with furnishing our house, and having rooms actually be completed makes that even more of a reality. So I'm super excited because I'm gonna be showing you both rooms. I know I'm gonna get questions, where is this from, where is this from? So I will link my blog down below. It shows you every single item in the living room and every single item in the breakfast nook. Actually, every single item in my home. If it is from Home Goods or Hobby Lobby or kind of just like a store that I can't really link things, there won't be a link for it. So if you don't see a link, that's why, or probably sold out. But I did a really good job of keeping everything listed, all of the products itemized, there's pictures, like everything is very user friendly. So I will have a link for the living room to shop everything there, as well as the breakfast nook to shop everything there. So you can definitely check that out in the description. Just click the links and keep scrolling. Make sure you click load more because more products will pop up and then everything should be there. So I tried to make it as easy as possible. Today's video is gonna be really fun. I'm so excited to show you the finished product of the breakfast nook, the finished product of the living room, see how far we've come, kind of where we started to where we are now. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you wanna see how I furnished these two spaces, then please just keep on watching. But before we get into today's video, I wanna thank our sponsor, Our Place. You guys, if you have not heard of Our Place, I'm about to put you on. They have kitchenware from pots, pans, plates, glasses, knives, so many different options that are of great quality, but super exciting because they're actually working with Selena Gomez. They're collaborating with her on the Always Pan and the Perfect Pot. You guys, mine look like this. Very bright, very perfect for summer and spring. You all know I love my neutrals, but honestly, like this blue, something about it is speaking to me. So this is the azul color. It comes in two different colors, azul and rosa. So this is the perfect pot right here. Again, that beautiful azul color. I just love it, you guys. I'm telling you, something about this color is speaking to me. Like, it's very fun. It's like a happy color. I really like this. So I especially love what Our Place stands for. It is woman owned. I just love to see the representation. Really appreciate the fact that Our Place is a mission-driven cookware company and that this company really stands for something. I also really love that the pot and pan are made from recycled and sustainable materials. The pot and the pan have a place for you to put your cooking spoon. I know I cannot be the only one who you put your spoon here, you put your spoon there, but with these pots and pans, they give you a designated place, which is awesome. As busy parents, we really don't have a lot of time throughout the day as it is, but when we're preparing meals together, we really make it a point to cook as a family, cook healthy meals as a family, and make it a bonding experience. The Always Pan and Perfect Pot make that super easy. Not only do they have the pot and the pan, but also cooking knives and glasses in the beautiful azul color, and they also sent over plates and a cutting board. You guys, the products are just so high quality. They're definitely my go-to in the kitchen, so I will have all the information listed down below about Our Place so that you can check them out for yourselves. Trust me, you're gonna love it. So yeah, you guys, with all of that being said, if you wanna see our breakfast nook tour as well as our living room tour, I'm looking at it now and I'm super excited, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so the first thing you see right off the kitchen is our breakfast nook. I wanted to start in the breakfast nook because I just absolutely love how this space turned out. I just feel like in so many of these rooms, because we've been documenting and filming home updates pretty much every single week here on YouTube, that there are so many memories and moments in this space that just really made it come to life. It really made it sentimental for us. So if you have been following for a while, these frames, oh my gosh, the drama. I got these frames from Home Goods, but I will link similar things down below. These frames gave me such a hard time. I purchased a couple, then I was on a wild goose chase to try to find more of these these frames. Actually, one of you all, actually, let me just clarify, a bunch of you all had DM'd me saying that I'm gonna look for them at my Home Goods. I'm gonna try to find them for you, girl. One of you all actually did and mailed them out to me, which was super sweet. And yeah, so this is just a really sentimental wall over here. I actually used one of the gift cards that you all sent me to purchase these. So every single time I look at this, it just makes me think of like how amazing you all are and how this wall literally would not be possible without you. So I absolutely love the art inside, okay? It's a DIY. I tried to get artistic and crafty. I just used plain white paper and kids black paint and just painted these designs to kind of give it an RH feel. We recently installed these art lights above the frames and I think they look amazing. So speaking of lighting, we have this light fixture here and I really love this aged brass color. That's like my new favorite gold. Like the aged brass is just so nice. I love it. It's very simple. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It's not busy. It doesn't overcrowd the area. Our curtains that we hung up, these are actually 2 curtain rods. We have an extremely long one here and then a second one over on that side. Absolutely love the curtains. The curtains were actually a blessing in disguise. I thought I ordered like a pure white. The color is called Natural, but I absolutely love the beigey, sort of like a gray undertone as well. I think they look great in this space. It breaks up the white on the walls and I absolutely love them. We also added these Roman shades. You just pull down and you can just push them up, which are really, really nice. Adds some shade, but it still looks very like classy and I love them. So moving on to our breakfast nook table. I love the sort of distressing, but it's still put together. It's not too much. It's not too like unreclaimed and raw where you might get a splinter. I just paired this table with these black velvet chairs that I think look really, really nice with it. I absolutely love the contrast of the whitewashed wood and the black chairs. I think it looks awesome. I added our centerpiece here with just some eucalyptus. The eucalyptus is from Hobby Lobby and the rest is from Home Goods, except the candle. The candle's from Target. Again, I wanted to really warm up this space because as I was styling, it started to feel very black and white. And I was like, okay, no, I need some like warm wood. The shades up here, very warm, just to kind of make it feel a little bit more cozy. And then we have this rug. This is a new purchase. This rug underneath here is actually a washable rug because I mean, we eat over here 3 times a day and then we're just constantly like hanging out over here, like doing crafts, whatever it is. So I knew I wanted a rug, but I didn't want one that would be super expensive and I would be heartbroken if we got a stain on it. So this one is very, very inexpensive and it's also washable. So it's the best of both worlds. I really like the print. It's sort of a washed out print, so it's not too eye-catching and busy. It's just a nice, I guess, happy medium. So yeah, this is the breakfast nook. That is all of the decor, all of the things that we added to this space to really make it come alive. So now let's move on to the living room. Okay, you guys, so this is our living room. This is the current state of the living room. I wanted to start with this fireplace. I love this fireplace because it is double-sided, so you can enter into the sunroom from this side or that side. That was really, really important to us when designing this home. We have the marble going around the fireplace. So over here on the fireplace, we have this white vase and I just have some magnolia stems in there. I think that really just like warms it up. I have another vase over here. If you've been following for a while, then you know I have a vase obsession. I love a good vase. You can never have too many in my opinion. I just put a candle next to that. These are all very affordable items on the mantle. Target, Home Goods, all that sort of stuff. This mantle mirror, oh my gosh. If you've been following for a while, I feel like I'm gonna say that all throughout this video, but if you have been following for a while, then you know the struggle with this mirror. It arrived, how many times? Leave a comment down below if you remember how many times it arrived broken, and then you can be like the winner because I think it might have been 3 times. I think I ordered this mirror a total of 3 times and it kept arriving broken, shattered. It was a whole hot mess. Big. It's cracked.
Are you serious?
No.
Oh, it's shattered in the corner. It's broken over here. It's all types of busted up there. Like, my God, man. Oh, this is why we need to go in the store and get it ourselves.
No, I'm ordering this again. But there's actually, and I don't know if you can see it up there, you probably can't. There's a little bit of chipping right there and a little bit of chipping back there. You can see it in the corner. It's a little bit chipped, but it's fine. I just love this mirror so much. I'm willing to look past that, and especially because you can't even really tell. You guys only know because I told you, so it'll be our little secret, but I love it. I think it looks awesome. We have the fiddly fig tree. She's been here since the beginning. Very affordable, love her. And then we have this planter right here. This is a new purchase. I still need to fill this and put like moss up at the top. Still have not gotten to that yet, but I love how big this planter is and round. Like it just looks really, really cool and nice. In front of that, I just have an accent chair. I actually have two of these accent chairs. I love these. In the very beginning, when we were designing this space, we had, I want to say like 2 other different chairs. I had some chairs from Restoration Hardware, and then I think I had something else maybe, I can't remember, but I'm so glad we got these. I love how we layered the pillows. Like I think they just look really, really nice and cozy. And then we have our TV console over here. I love that it's just like very low to the ground. It's very sleek, very modern. She was very pricey, but I love her all the same. And I just love this tone of wood. I really wanted to break up all of the white and make it feel warm and cozy, and I feel like we achieved that. So as far as the decor on here, we just have an assortment of different things. I tried to style all the pieces in 3s. So we just have our candlesticks and then a vase. We have a bowl, 2 books, and then I just draped our chains over here, and then 2 vases and like this really cool decorative object. This is a home goods find. Most of the stuff over here is, and I think it just looks really, really awesome. It ties in with the wood tones, but also like bringing in like some of the black as well. And then over here, we just have this pedestal. I think this pedestal is awesome. It's the perfect base filler for this part of the wall because I really wasn't sure what I wanted over here. I knew I wanted something, so I just ended up doing a pedestal, and I think it looks really chic. We have a vase up here with some stems. This is new. This is something that I'll be switching out depending on the season. Like when it's Christmas, I'll get something probably with like some holly on it, just obviously to fit in with more seasonal decor. And then we have these sconces framing the TV. These sconces are not functional. I really want to get some light bulbs that have a remote control feature so that I can turn them on and off. I actually really regret not making these functional. That would have been so nice and just easier, but it's fine. I mean, who knows, maybe in the future. You all know how I love to switch, change, rearrange. And then we have our TV. I get questions on this all the time. People want to know, is this an art piece? Where did you get this art piece? It's a frame TV. It's a Samsung frame TV. I'll have it linked down below. Not quite sure the size right off the top of my head, but again, I'll have that in the description box. I love this. It's really nice because when your TV is not in use, it just rests like this and it looks very, very pretty. So I love it. Obviously had to go with like the zebra because it was black and white to go with the rest of the room, but they have so many different options as far as artwork so that it can be cohesive with your space. Okay, so then moving over here, we have our coffee table. Our coffee table, unfortunately, is sold out, but I'll link something similar. Then moving on to our couch. Kind of have a love-hate relationship with this couch because of the color. I know everyone told me, why would you get a white couch? You have kids, blah, blah, blah. But I wanted to look past it because I was like, I don't care. I want a white couch. It's the vibe, it's the aesthetic, and it still is. I would not change my mind, but it's not easy. I love the pillows. The pillows look awesome on it. I really do like it. I think everything kind of came together really nicely. So over here behind our couch, we just have this table. It's the same wood as our media console. I think it looks great back here. We just have a couple baskets. I just have a little tray here with a candle. I feel like that's enough. We put our drinks back here, like snack bowls, like when we're watching movies, things like that. So I don't need a lot of decor, but I still think like the candle is just like a really nice touch. So the light fixture, it just looks so classic with the rest of the room. And yeah, it's really, really nice. It brings in that aged brass that I was telling you about that I'm obsessed with, and I think it looks really, really cool. So moving over here, this is technically like our foyer, and I just added this entryway table with 2 ottomans. I love the fabric color of these ottomans. It's almost like a gray. I don't know, it just ties in really nicely with all the other fabric that we have here. I have these 2 table lamps. I feel like I talk about these lamps in like every dupe video that I've ever filmed. I have some coffee coffee table books here, a little decorative object, and then this wall art. This is the color in my house. There's some pink in there, there's some purple and a little bit of green. This was kind of the wild card for me because everything else is very like black, gray, beige. And so to have like the wall art with some color in it, that was me, you know, stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit, but it's still pretty neutral. It's very, very pastel and toned down, and I absolutely love it, you guys. Like, this is the living room. I'm so happy with it. I think everything turned out amazing. I cannot believe I'm filming a final room tour of the living room and the breakfast nook. I'm telling you, we are inching closer and closer to the finish line, which is so exciting. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out our place down in the description box for amazing kitchenware. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll leave you with one last pan over the living room. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me and the living room and the breakfast nook, we didn't forget about you. We will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.